Before buying Orderhive for your dropshipping business, there are 12 important things you should know. We'll dive into these key points and compare them with other similar software so you can make an informed decision on whether it's the right choice for you. First up, Orderhive is designed for scalability. If you're just starting out or already running a large operation, it can handle everything from a few orders a day to thousands. However, when compared to competitors like Oberlo or Shopify's own tools, you might find that while Orderhive offers great scalability, it lacks some of the ease of use and automation features that others provide. So, if you're looking for something super simple, this might require a learning curve. Next thing, inventory management is one of its strongest features. It integrates well with a variety of suppliers, offering real-time tracking of your stock. But here's the catch: if you're managing a lot of products, it can get complicated. For small shops, this might be overkill, and tools like Zers might be a better fit for simple inventory tracking. The third thing you need to know is Orderhive offers integration with multiple marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy, making it easier to manage all your sales channels in one place. But compared to competitors like ShipBob, its integrations are a bit more limited, especially when it comes to smaller, niche platforms. Moving on, Orderhive has advanced reporting features, so you can track sales trends, performance, and inventory levels easily. However, this can be a double-edged sword. While it's powerful, it might be too complex for someone just getting started. Tools like TradeGecko or even Shopify's own analytics offer more user-friendly dashboards. The fifth thing is automation features. Orderhive allows you to automate processes like order fulfillment, which saves a lot of time. But compared to competitors, the automation options may be less flexible. If you want super detailed automation workflows, you might find alternatives like Zapier integrations in Shopify a more fitting choice. The sixth thing is Orderhive's pricing structure. It has a free trial, but its paid plans are on the pricier side, especially when you add features like advanced analytics and integrations. For dropshippers on a tight budget, there are more affordable options out there, like Salehoo, that provide good value at a lower price point. The seventh thing is customer support. Orderhive provides 24/7 support, which is great, but it's often been noted that response times can vary. While some competitors, like Printful, offer faster, more personalized support, Orderhive does have a dedicated team for troubleshooting and integrations, which helps. Next thing, Orderhive's user interface is straightforward, but it can feel cluttered as you scale up your business. It's functional, but if you prefer sleek, minimal designs, platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce might provide a smoother experience. The ninth thing to note is shipping and fulfillment. Orderhive integrates with a variety of fulfillment partners, giving you some flexibility. But if you're looking for hands-off solutions like Fulfillment by Amazon, where they handle everything, Orderhive's fulfillment options might require more manual effort. The 10th thing is multi-currency and multi-language support, which Orderhive does well. If you're looking to go global, this is a solid feature. However, some of its competitors, like BigCommerce, offer even more robust multi-currency setups with fewer limitations. The 11th thing is Orderhive's mobile app. It's decent for on-the-go management, but it doesn't quite match up to some of the mobile apps offered by Shopify and Oberlo, which provide a more intuitive mobile experience for managing orders, inventory, and customer interactions. Finally, Orderhive scalability comes at a cost. As your business grows, you may need to upgrade to higher tier plans for full access to features like advanced reporting and integrations. If you're just starting out, this can be a bit much, and other solutions like Dropify may give you similar features for a more affordable price. Orderhive is a solid option for dropshipping, especially if you're scaling up. It's got plenty of great features, but it's not always the most beginner-friendly, and the price point may not be the best for smaller shops. If you're looking for a more tailored solution, we recommend checking out our preferred option, which you can try for free.